Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off camera access on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, check them back with settings, go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down and select the privacy tile. On the left side, underneath App Permissions, select Camera. And then on the right side, where it says Camera Access for this device is on, click the Change button, and then toggle it off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.